Welcome to the Startup Fundamentals course. I'm Kit Hindin. I'm a brand designer and an entrepreneurship coach. I've worked with loads of people starting small businesses, and I've seen firsthand what works, what doesn't, and where people get stuck. Most people think the hardest part of starting a business is the strategy, but actually it's the uncertainty. Am I doing this right? Is this idea even good? If that's you, you're in the right place. Whether you've got an idea scribbled on a napkin or you're halfway through launching something, this course is going to help you shape it into something that you can be proud of, with a strong brand, smart systems, and AI tools to make your life easier. So by the end of this course, you'll have a validated business idea, a detailed business plan, a clear idea of your brand identity and your value proposition, an AI-powered marketing and sales plan, and a roadmap for growth. Each lesson includes a clear concept explained simply, some real-world examples, AI tips and prompt ideas to save time and spark creativity, and action steps or downloads, so you're not just learning, you're doing as you go. If you've never used AI before, no problem. I will teach you how to make the most of it, or you can skip it altogether if you prefer. This course is going to give you the tools and the worksheets that you need, and the AI prompts are optional extras to give you a boost. To get the most out of this, I would recommend that you take it in order because each lesson builds on the one before, especially in the early chapters. Keep it scrappy, don't wait for perfection. Use the workbook and the AI prompts to get you moving. Use AI as your assistant. Every prompt in the course is designed to help you write, plan, and test faster. Block some time out each week, even if it's just a couple of hours, and then come back as you grow. This isn't a one and done. Revisit the lesson as your idea evolves. By the end of this, you'll pull together everything into your business blueprint, which you can use to pitch, plan, or launch your business with confidence. Don't worry, I'm going to guide you through step by step. Remember, this course is for you. If you hit a block, skip ahead and then circle back. Or if a lesson sparks an idea, just run with it. This is your business, so take it at your pace and do it your way. Go build something great.